Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your girl Celia. So just wanted to show you our Saturday vibes. I'm chilling at the house and just, relaxing after a long week of work and getting things done. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Alright, so I got cooking. Kids are eating pizza. Looks kind of sloppy, but they wanted pizza. Got tacos going. Gotta cut up lettuce and tomato in a minute. Got them watching TV, watching 911, enjoying and relaxing. Now, let's see what the other two are doing. Hold on.
Get out of here. Hey, boy, you better stop playing with you.
Maybe even a question of his trip to the line. And for Philadelphia. First one falls for him. Edwards, he's checked out. The shot's going to Edwards is going to second point to the game. He's Steve is the night. He has the skill.
Jump. What you gonna do?
And keep the defense inside. In this league, it is so hard scoring in the half court. So you have to run every time you get the opportunity. George out there with
how you gonna stop him, bro?
Then it's Maxey.
That boy got 9 points in the first quarter.
Get up to 3. That's the group for Philadelphia to kick
What
off
quarter?
the second quarter. Maxey passes to Embiid. Embiid just
Alright guys, so they over there playing 2K25. William, he won the first round. Now it looks like my husband he's winning the second round so far, but they're in the second quarter. So we'll see. Got 2 more quarters going on. So we'll get back to that. Good. Good is good. I like it. Got that good spiciness at the end. What I'm saying. Alright, now it's time for me to go with my husband and my son to see who's winning. Alright, let's see.
Minnesota leading by 17.
side.
You gotta get that. You
What
gotta
are you
get
doing?
that.
I just got it. I got it when you walked in. When I walked in.
Hey, bro, why you dunk on MD? Ugh!
Him to beat the contact.
The 76ers have gone 2 for 7 from the field here in the fourth.
You got another dunk coming? Oh, there you go.
Pass to McDaniels.
Oh, my God. Ah, good block.
There's the shot clock violation. Couldn't get the
block,
shot
my
off in
boy.
time. Oubre, he's checked in for Mark. George for 3. It's rebounded by Minnesota.
Just enough of a shot contest to bother him.
Here's Edwards. And he's going to the line for 2. The official saw contact while he was going up. Kelly Oubre picks one up.
Well, we know Edwards has an impressive skill set, but what really separates him is the competitive edge that he plays with.
And both free throws good for Edwards. 76ers trail by 21. Kicks it to George. Over Towns. Oh, it's blocked by Towns.
And look at that reach. I mean, Towns just saying no.
He's only got 10 points from the free throw line. That's keeping them in it.
They've also been striking from mid-range with great consistency tonight. They just owned that part of the floor this
Now let's present our player of the game, Anthony Edwards.
He is truly putting a show out there tonight.
Joe, a commanding performance like that makes for a sweet victory, especially on the road. The Timberwolves lead by
This home
22.
playing the service. Make sure y'all get this. Hold on. I
Edwards
got
is
2
double.
niggas on.
Pass to Gobert. Back to Edwards. Shot clock at 6. And it's going to be a 24-second violation. A big group steps in the quarter. That one drops 4.
It's harder to thread those passes inside, but the reward is evident.
Gordon against Edwards.
They think it's sweet. They think it's sweet. Yeah, oh, man. Oh! No. Oh! Here you go.
And they'll turn it over. Couldn't get the shot off. A shot clock violation.
Sixers ball.
What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do?
And so it's George with it. He brings it up for the Philadelphia 76ers. 8-second difference between the shot clock and game clock.
And they've won the battle on the board so far, and the scoreboard reflects that.
They set a physical tone early on, and they're being rewarded for their efforts.
And a foul called on Paul George. So we see the Timberwolves taking the W here.
How'd you lose
Road
that?
victory.
22.
Statement indeed.
Almost 30.
It was an enemy territory.
And that is my typical Saturday. Relax after a long week. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Family memories, family time, Saturdays. See you in the next video.